Look at this. The water is so high that this elevator is pointless. This elevator doesn't go anywhere. Before this, that's a weird dog. But this ramp is usually attached to that. You have to walk up. That elevator is supposed to bring you down to here. But right now, it goes up to nothing. Is it even working? I bet no one's used this thing in years because they have no reason to, right? Let's see if it gives us a big ass jolt. Hey, what's that?
I immediately look left and I'm like, oh.
Inside joke, guys. Ooh. Hey, I guess this is a little observation deck right now. Oh, what do you want to do? Oh, we could go back downstairs. Hey, look at that. That's weird.
Hell weird.
Interesting. Pointless elevator right now.
I thought you loved me.
Damn. That's what this elevator thinks to whoever owns this.
Really?
They obviously don't. I don't know, I think it looks nice in here. You know what? It's got rare armor fixtures. We all love that elevator. Just thought I should show you guys what a weird setup it's at right now. Alright, that'll be it.